Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to freeze your Duolingo streak. So some information you need to know about streak freezers. Streak freezers is a function in Duolingo that allows you to pause your streak, and this means that if you miss a day, then your streak won't reset to 0. A streak freeze is basically a safety net that gives your streak extra bit of protection, and if you miss a day while a streak freeze is active, your streak will remain exactly the same, meaning you won't lose it, but you won't gain a day either. For a streak freeze to work, you need to be active before missing a day, because it's not something you can activate after losing your streak, and that's very important. So, how to freeze your Duolingo streak? You need to click on your gems right here, and you need to scroll to the very down and find streak freeze tab. And here you can see the period of time you want to buy your streak freeze, for example 1 day, and click buy for 200 gems. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.